Children, how are you all? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our online class. How are you all doing? Hope you are doing fine. Let's start our class. What is the day today? 4th February 2000, Thursday 21. Seventh class will continue the chess, grammar. See a glossary, children vanish, disappear, or stop being present or existing. Pauper, a very poor person. Penetrate, to move into or through something. Opponent, a person being competed against in a game or sport. Accountant, someone who keeps the records of money received, paid, and owed. Awestruck, filled with feeling of admiration or respect. Figure, a number. Gigantic, enormous, extremely large. Restricted, limited, specially by rules, laws, etc. Capture, to take someone as prisoner, specially by force. Affiliated, become part of a large group or organization. Limelight, public attention, involve. Limelight means to have public attention. These are the hard words in the lesson. In the chess, the poem. Meanings of it: involve, include. Eighth lesson in our reader is snakes in India. You all have seen snakes, no? Garden snake. I saw a snake and ran away. Isn't we all run away from snake? We don't love it. Any love it? Anyone have pet in the home a snake? No, no. They are dangerous, isn't it? Poison. Some snakes are dangerous, they say. But mothers say that kind is good and eats up insects for his food. So when he wiggles in the grass, I will stand aside and watch his pass and tell myself there is no mistake, it's just a harmless garden snake. So every snake doesn't mean it's poisonous. It will be a garden snake also. Understood? Where do you normally find snakes, children? Name the snakes that you know. In what ways are snakes useful to us? Now talk about your reaction when you see a snake. All are scared, isn't it? Snakes in India. Snakes in India, the reading lesson. What are the most dangerous animals on Indian continent? They are not lions, tigers or wolves, but poisonous snakes. They attack far more frequently than most people suspect. Over 20,000 people are bitten by venomous snakes in India each year. Unfortunately, the death rate from snake bite is high, largely because of widespread ignorance about snakes and snake bite prevention. Also, proper medical treatment is often delayed or unobtainable. We don't get proper treatment when the snake bites. Many of them used to die earlier. White cup-like thing comes from the mouth and they die immediately because we don't know the tricks how to save them. Doctor doesn't know anything till we get doctor, isn't it? According to an estimate made by the World Health Organization, about 15,000 deaths from snake bites occur annually in India, nearly half the world total of such deaths. Even for those who survive, it is dreadful to experience, usually resulting in days or weeks of agony. Take what happens to Bengal Kamal on rainy evening in August 1981. Kamal, 25-year-old farmer living near Goregaon, a suburb of Mumbai, was working barefoot in the fields without slipper. In the fields, when he suddenly felt a sharp sitting on his right foot, something stuck on his foot. Kamal examined his foot and saw two tiny marks near the ankle. Convinced it was snake bite, he hastily tied a rope just above his knee and called out to a relative working there. Immediately took him by taxi to the local doctor's dispensary. Unfortunately, the doctor was not a fully qualified allopathic practitioner and did not know about anti-venom serum, anti-snake venom. He did not know how to save the man. He did not know the trick to take out the poison of the snake. or how to administer it. It's dangerous, something dangerous, isn't it? He gave Kamal a pain-killing injection and an antibiotic tablets. He told him to rest at home until the pain subsides. But during the next few hours, Kamal felt increasingly giddy, and vomited continually. His right foot and lower legs swelled alarmingly. It became fat, and the pain was unbearable. Kamal's relatives rushed him to a large hospital in central Mumbai. But then it was more than 5 hours since Kamal had been bitten, and blood had begun to ooze from the snake bite marks. The poison has already spread in his body. It's more than 5 hours. Immediately, if he was given treatment, he would be okay. His gums were also bleeding, and soft thin tube put through Kamal's nose into his stomach revealed a large amount of blood. Fearing that it might already be too late, the doctor gave Kamal an injection of antivenin and began an emergency blood transfusion. His treatment started. Over the next 3 days, Kamal was getting 15 such transfusions as well as a repeat shot of antivenin. It was only after the fifth day that he has declared out of danger after 5 days. Poor fellow, isn't it? He was serious. A poison snake bite spread in his body. 5 days, 15 days that blood was going on changing. 15 such transfusions took place in 3 days, 5 times every day. After about a fortnight, he was finally discharged from the hospital. Only about 50 of the more than 200 species of snakes in India are venomous. Of these, only four, Russell's viper, saw scale viper, Indian cobra, and common crate, are really dangerous. They are found across the country, from desert to fertile plains. While all the four are most common in rural India, Indian cobras and common crates can be found in and around any human dwelling, posing danger even in the suburbs of major cities like Mumbai, Calcutta, and New Delhi. Of the death-dealing water, the Russell's viper is found from the paddy fields and river valleys of Kerala, of North India, to densely deserted hills of Tamil Nadu. Kerala and Karnataka in south, tan or brownish thick-bodied and reaching the length of 1 meter. It has long movable fangs that inject a large amount of venom, making it even more dangerous than the Indian cobra. The cobras in Asia and Africa and Australia are readily recognized by the spectacle. The mark is there. Picture on the head and a monocle. Picture on the left mark on its back. However, the black cobra has no distinguishing mark. Got it? And 1.5 meter long, the cobra spends much of its time underground or beneath the dead logs or stones. It is in the stones or dead logs, isn't it? In the near the trees only, feeding mainly on frogs and bats. The cobra's bite is shallow and delivers a small dose of venom. Venom is a poison, but the venom is 3 times as toxic as that of the Russell's viper. Even more toxic is the venom of the secretive and timid common crate. 1 to 1.5 meter is in length. It is found throughout India. The common crate is usually glistening bluish black with thin, often indistinctive white cross bands. Contrary to what many people believe, most snakes are timid nocturnal. Nocturnal means they come out at night. Whether it's ductless creature, feeding mostly on rats, mice, frogs, toads, lizards, or birds. They attack humans only when actually stepped upon. If we keep a feet on them or to go and disturb them, only they attack us. Or provoked in some way, precautions such as wearing shoes and long trousers when walking through high grass and undergrowth growth will lessen the risk of being bitten. For most snake bites in India occur as people walk barefoot. People walk without slippers or shoes. Carry a lantern or torch when you venture out at night. Beat the ground with a long stick as you walk. The snakes will perceive the vibration and slither away. Okay, let's put the stick in front of you, put it on the when you're walking, hit it on the ground, it will move away. The snake moves away as long as they have rats to feed on. Hence, keep your home and its surroundings rat free. Rat is its favorite food. One should be alert during the monsoon season, where and in this period, what happens? The snakes are most active. Finish the lesson for today. Homework. Why do many people die of snake bite? If 100 people died in a year in India, how many might have died in the rest of the world? What opinion do you form about the first doctor who treated Kamal? Okay, give me the answers by evening 5:30 or 6. Assalamu alaikum children, thank you. See you in next class. Understood?